I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these shower hooks. I'm going to install them right over here. I'll install one of them. You're going to get 2 of them. These are really, really nice. We have these in another bathroom, so we got them for this bathroom. So really easy to install. They come with this little guide right over here. You're literally just going to clean the surface, which I already did, and then you're just going to take this off right over here. Take this off, stick it, and let's just do it together. Now, in terms of what this is good for, you'll see there's a bunch of things this is not good for. It's not good for ceramic, marble, granite, paint, frosted glass, wood, wallpaper, mosaic. It's great for acrylic or plastic, glass, mirror, porcelain, quartz, smooth metal. So if you have something like that, you're good to go. So what you do here is you unscrew this knob right over here. So you're just going to take that off, and then you're going to pop this out just like that. So once this is popped out, we're just going to take this off right over here, and we're going to stick it right here, just like that. So once it's in just like that, we're just going to take this right over here. This could actually hold up to 11 pounds. So we're just going to put this right over here just like that. And then the little screw sticks out. We're gonna get this knob right over here. All right. Then we're just gonna twist it just like that. And then we are good to go. We are stuck. Everything is on here. Now to remove this, you could kind of pry it with a butter knife if you wanted to do that. Or you could just unscrew this right over here, which I'll show you in a second, and then pop that off. You could wash it, you could do whatever, and then you could just use this for a razor if you wanted to do that. It holds perfectly. And like I said, you could hold up to 11 pounds with this. It's just really nice. I like the fact that you get 2 as well. So if you have multiple razors or multiple things you want to hang, you could do that. And then kind of if you wanted to take it off, you're just gonna unscrew it just like that. Super easy. You could take this piece off as well, and then you could just pop this off with, you could even do it with your hand if you want to. And there's no like residue or anything like that left on here. So if you are looking for a great shower hanger that could hold up to 11 pounds, super easy to install, doesn't leave residue when you take it off. Could not recommend these enough. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.